Want to convert your DVDs to MP4 and watch them on your TV, computer, or phone? In this video, I'll show you how to do it for free with any video converter. DVD ripping is back. For free. Available in any video converter version 9.2.0. Now, let's get started. First, open Format Convert. Hover over Add Media Files and click the disk icon. Select the DVD drive that contains your disk. Enable this option to skip short, non-essential titles during scanning. After scanning, select the DVD title you want to convert. Then choose the subtitles and audio track you want to keep. Choose MP4 as the output format, or select a preset for your device. You can also adjust the output folder, quality, resolution, frame rate, and audio settings. Here are the recommended settings for DVD ripping. When everything is ready, click Convert Now to convert your DVD to MP4. The time depends on the DVD length and your computer's performance. Once it's done, you can play your converted MP4 file. If your DVD is in SD quality, you can use AI Video Enhancer to improve its visual quality. Here, we ripped a DVD in 480p. Now let's see how it looks after AI upscaling to 1080p. That's how to rip and convert a DVD to MP4 for free with any video converter. You can download any video converter from the link in the description. And subscribe for more video conversion, DVD ripping, and media editing tutorials.